What's up guys, and it is already here, the 100x zoom of Galaxy S20 Ultra in action. Holy moly, look at that clarity. The level of creep is insane. I mean, this guy is standing so far away from this globe and he was able to zoom in so far in and at the same time read the text without any problem. Imagine if you have this quality of zoom in your possession during a classroom test. I mean, you can do so much. It's absolutely crazy. The craziest part is how sharp the text is even after zooming in so far out. Now this zoom is happening under room lighting conditions, so if we were to zoom outside on some kind of building, then the result would be pretty insane. So I have this simulation based on the result of this zoom, and we can actually get even clearer results than this. This is actually coming from a Taiwanese YouTube channel. They've already posted their hands-on of all three models. You can check the description for the source. All three models are exactly how they are in the leaks. There's nothing changed. All the specs and everything is on point. We also got this initial official trailer of all three Galaxy S20 families, so S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra shown in all glory. This doesn't highlight any feature or the zoom or anything like that because it's just the initial trailer of the design, but yeah, it does confirm everything that we want to know. Some other last minute promotional images are out as well, but by far the craziest thing here is absolutely the zoom. The specs and everything are further confirmed as well. The another thing that I find really interesting is how beautiful these devices look in person, in actual real life look wise from the front. Look at how bezel-less they are. Samsung has done an amazing job keeping a uniform design across all of its flagship phones, and not just design, they're also giving the same kind of technology as well. So you're getting the OLED display, you're getting the 120Hz panel on all Galaxy S20 models, unlike Apple where they went with LCD on their cheaper ones. So Samsung, I really do like your value towards the cheaper Galaxy S20 model, and I think that will be a pretty good selling point for a lot of people who cannot go all the way up to S20 Ultra. So yeah, these were some awesome official Galaxy S20 stuff. It's looking really exciting, especially the zoom. I cannot wait to try it out in more situations, but from its first look, it is definitely incredible. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.